Yes, my beautiful people, we're on an adventure right now. Yeah, we are going to find the ice falls in the country, the ice falls in Jamaica. So on the journey, the road is very wild. But anyway, we're going slowly.
The man say the road is good.
No.
Or
So
did
the
you say you
forest-
can drive back?
The forest this way.
Oh,
So people say that it's very underrated. Yeah? That's what they say, it's beautiful and da da da. Let me see for myself. So fence it up already. Priceless. Big one to go. Body not there. So alright, just somebody there come. Somebody there come. Can.
no, you have to park there because the man is in the way. I can pass it. Oh God, trust.
Oi! Alright. We got to finally reach.
Alright.
Understand, get all the relevant information we need. Tallest waterfall in the country. Down there so in the valley. We're gonna come back tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna come back tomorrow and take a full tour. Because we never really prepared, we just want the information. Mama can't do the hiking and we don't have no swimming gears and all of that, guys. So yeah man, I said the whole line of Trident Castle. Trident, I told them just say yes man. That is it guys, really nice. So tomorrow, watch out for the full tour. Yeah man. About an hour hiking tomorrow or more, no? Depends on the pace. You talk about an hour and a half then because Mama slow. Or 2 hours. Because Stefan is slow. I understand. Me can manage the height, she can't. Just guys. So the location, Nonsuch Jamaica. The ice waterfalls in the country. Stay tuned for that. I mean, big up. You have to show, you know. So you would have to go up more.
Yeah.
Yeah guys. So the tour guide I said on the side that if you have a very clear day, you can see one little piece of blue mountain and all that, and I see. You have to chew, you know, you're not chew your attack. So one piece of riding they go up your feet.
Yeah, man.
I chew your attack, you know.
Yeah, man.
You can see it just kind of a little bit clear. You see? You see it there, babe? Yeah man, I can see Blue Mountain on a very clear day. And over there so now look like Norwich. Look like Norwich Heights. Yeah man. We'll try them classes. Eh?
The next day.
Yeah guys. Good morning. On the adventure today again. We are back at Nonsuch. Yeah? Now we have to make them know what going on. Yes guys, we're back at Nonsuch now. And we are going on an official tour. Michelle and Moms and the tour guide there ahead. Come give me more walk at and give me a stick. Mama give me a stick. Yeah. So we're gonna need the stick cause you know down the gully go. Alright. Adventure time. Yeah man, say man I make you know so no danger. No dangers. Yeah. People she don't have no mosquito repellent and she accused me and said me make sure you bring a repellent.
No, we go buy one yesterday and you put it in the car.
Just hope the mosquito them have a bit of mercy on you today. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. Come Shelly, go on in front of me. Forest. Beautiful forest guys. Yeah, man. What's one more? The hummingbird thing, then. Yeah, man. You put like sweet, like sugar and water or glucose.
You put wine in them at times.
Wine?
Them drink it? They have this, the whole on the flat pot they see come now.
Yeah, man, them come here, so see some little hole right, so them put them beat it and them drink out the liquid. Be careful, use handrails. Beautiful forest, yeah? There. Rest zone.
Yeah, when you come in. You're at them to when they go?
When?
No, well, it's not if, it's when.
When, of course, they know definite.
It's going to happen.
You sure?
You were the tour guide?
Very sure.
Yeah, I think we're gonna
Tour guide say when, not if. Look at that.
see somebody go in front of
Nature. Beautiful nature. Wow.
Slide, you know, once you put the stick first, and put some of your weight on the stick, then you go.
Why you tremble so deep? Alright, hold on. I'm coming help you.
Pause.
How you feeling?
Wow.
Tired?
Yeah, I'm just
Go half a mile already when I just please say anyone can go around.
You know how I burn out with energy?
So what come up?
They're coming up to the office there. That's a burn out with energy already, you know.
If you're resting like a 2 hours, you want to.
you walk and leave me behind.
Chris, I'm leave her behind. Come, take your time, baby. Come. Yes. Fit, no?
Full.
Yeah, guys. I'm not sure if we are go to the top or the lower part of the falls first. But falls it is soon. Can go and walk in the beach. A little glimpse. Alright, so we're going to head of the falls first, guys. It's a nice adventure, guys. Very. But I don't know. Tired. You have to be fit. And you know me? Out of shape already. Miss Steffi?
What am I then?
Huh?
And you're out of shape. What am I?
What are you?
I have never been in shape.
You must disrespect herself, man.
And
So
you
guys, the
know
tour. Going down the mountain. Very nice. Beautiful, green.
no more sport for the next 5 years.
No more sport for the next 5 years. You need to come back tomorrow. What them call them bead again? The red bead, them Jankra bead? Huh? Jankra bead. Sure, no guys are going. Yeah, man, me just yeah, guys. Jankra bead. What the chances of me Jankra? A Gaia, no? Kinda no. But this, we use that to make like chains, bracelet. Decoration, really. Nice. Very hard to find at times when you need them. Yeah, man. When you need them, I can't find them. And when you don't need them, that's okay. Woo. Look at all this. What that?
The harvest fun.
You harvest something. Some kind of fern. You know, the nature. Kind of like it. This pepper elder bush. Good for making tea. You'll be able to take your time.
I can tell you if you still survive it, you're not fit.
Hmm?
In a few hours, we can tell you if you can still survive the adventure, you're not fit.
Yeah, man, I can survive, man. I believe in you, you know. I believe in you, baby.
We wickedly warm.
What? Guys, find a nice little puddle right here. Yeah, man, I can wet up. Can wet up yourself. They want wet in a wet no more river, you know. Baby, you want me to go in front of
Yeah,
you?
please. I like it, but very exhausting. I'm kind of afraid.
Tell them on the camera we see all of that. You like it, but what?
I'm exhausted already.
Exhausted already. You hear that?
I'm kind of scared that I'm going to slip somewhere.
You're not slip, man.
Take that negative impact out your mind.
Ah, you hear the tour guide tell you, take the negativity from the mind. You're in mother nature, you need to. Plus,
Think about the negativity we have.
your husband there to look after you. That's right, isn't it? Eh? Come. Come on, let's continue, baby.
Take your time. You come down and you hold your hand to take you across.
Yeah.
Alright.
Take time, take time.
Okay, come up here. My leg's too short. How am I going to...
No, man, me help you.
Throw me up there.
Reach up back, man.
Oh, God. Adventure nice, huh? That's where we're coming from. Way up the mountain, guys.
Oh, sure, and we're going to go way
And this
down
is,
the gully later.
yeah, and this is just the head,
Start.
the head of the fall, the shorter journey.
Now we just jump off the falls. It will shorter.
No, man, that's too risky. There you have a fire pit for the campers. Eh? There so. Yeah, man. The camp zone, yeah? Tour guides are here for the camping zone. Yeah, you have fresh, clean water.
Make sure you film it so everybody can laugh.
If what? Your sister, the stick did need it though. Yeah. Small pool area.
So, wenn wir dann nach Schwarze ziehen.
Tour guide help her down. How you feeling?
Ich mache jetzt hier Pause. Was machst du?
Need a break. Tired.
Mein Glas ist voll up.
Your sister, the stick did need it, eh? Show them little pool here nice, you know. So here is a bit slippery. Like that.
Go to that place where the edge. You see when you next to coast where you go? From the bottom of the fall where you look back up.
The what?
The next journey that you're going down to the bottom of the fall, where you're looking right here,
Yeah.
you have to look back up this side.
Okay.
So we're going to show you here. So eventually we can't let no one go that part. Anyone pitch over there, so that's the
Okay.
end of it. So,
So-
when you go down there, you're going to see the fall, the height of the fall, then you know what we're talking about before.
Yeah, so it's a perfect spot to fly the drone. I don't know how people can fly here, so. Why somebody couldn't fly here, so?
You know, after you're going to get a view here, you know.
Yeah, we would have do.
Out, you know, and get it back and get the view down at the fall, you know.
Yeah, how me would have fly it now, me would have take off from right for maybe and turn the camera back to we
Oh,
and just back up. Just back up as far as, you understand? So you get
a view back.
a view back to the fall. You understand what I say?
Yeah, you can go ahead and try, you know.
Alright,
Make
me
it everywhere to go ahead and
could do that, me could do that.